Hello everybody, it's Shirley. Today I'm going to show a flip through of this nature journal that I've been working on. In 2022 I think it was, I did a little section in February where I drew out all the flowers that I grew in my garden, but I never finished that section. So what I've been doing is going through and I've finished it. So today I'm going to show a flip through of that little section. I don't think you could call it a nature journal entry because there wasn't anything observed. It's just drawing flowers. So let's have a look to see what I've done. Okay, so this is the section I'm talking about, and this was for February, so it's flowers for February, and it's the flowers I have grown in my garden throughout the last 3 years or 4 years that I've had this garden. So this is what I've done in this section, and these are just watercolour and pen and ink, and a little bit of pencil. So let's have a look, see what I've done. And the way I've done it is I've just done 2 halves of the one page. And this is what I've been doing. So you can see some of them I just did straight pen and ink as well. Some had just very light watercolour. And the names are down in the sections as well. But ideally I should have probably put the Latin names, but I just thought just common names, that's fine. So I'll just keep flipping through and let's have a look. So that's the last day I did those 2 sections, and then I had a couple of pages, the 29th for February, and then a couple of pages after that. And I thought rather than drawing the flowers, I'd just do an index and a language of flowers. So this is the index. I haven't taken away the pencil here at the moment, the lines and whatnot, but I'll do that. So that was the index for this section. And these are just some, I used pressed flowers as sort of an inspiration for a border. And this section is the language of plants. So it's not just flowers, it is some herbs as well. And these are watercolour and ink. And this red pen is just like a gel pen. And then after that I got back into doing the nature journal entries. I haven't done much at the moment. That was the last entry in July. That's that February section completed, and I think it turned out okay. The flowers are not true to real, they're not realistic, but I got down what I wanted to get down, and the fact that I completed it is that's a bonus for me. So yeah, and yeah, so that's what I did for this section in here. It's just the flowers, and as I said, I think I will continue with the doing a lot of finishes, getting things that I started and never sort of completed done, and I'll just show them as I do them. Okay, that's all from me today. Thank you for watching. Bye.